This is Vishnuvardhan sir. Today I am going to explain the table of a trigonometrical ratios. Most of the students feel very difficulty to remember all the ratios, trigonometrical ratios. For them, this is the table. You can construct this table within 5 to 6 minutes. I will tell you more easily how to construct the trigonometrical table. These angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. There is no other way. We have to remember this. You have to remember these angles. Okay. Now start giving numbers from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In the next step, divide every number by 4. By 4, by 4, by 4, by 4 and by 4. Okay, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Now square every number, square root of every number. Okay, now 0 by 4, 0 by 4 anything, it is 0. Square root of 0 is equal to 0. Square root of 1 by 4 is equal to, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. 2 is not having any square root, so square after cancellation 1 by 2. After cancellation is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is square root of 2. Okay. Next here root 3 is root. It is not a perfect square root. So root 3 by square root of 4 is 2. 4 gets cancelled. So 1 will be square root of 1 is 1. Now 0. Okay. 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2. 1. These are all the values of sine theta. Okay. These are all the values of sine theta. Next, by rating in the reverse order. Actually, sine 0 is 1, 0. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is equal to 1. These are all the values of sine. Okay. Now, you write these values in the reverse order. Then you will get the values of cos theta. Okay. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, write in the reverse order. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Okay. These are the cos theta values. Now, next ratio is tan. Tan theta. Tan theta is what? Actually, it is sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Here 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. These 2 and these 2 will go cancellation. So that the remaining part is 1 by root 3. Here also root 2 and root 2 will go cancellation. So 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Here 2 will go cancellation. Root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 is always equal to 1. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinitive. Inverse of 0. Inverse of 0 is not defined. It is not defined. These are all the values of tan theta. Now we got sine value, cos value and tan value. Next, cosec. Cosecant theta. The reverse of sine theta is cosecant theta. Reverse means 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine means inverse. Otherwise, reverse of sine theta is cosecant theta. 0. Inverse of this 0 is again not defined. Okay. Inverse 1 by 2 will become inverse. That is 2 by 1. 2. 1 by root 2. That is root 2. Root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1. That is 1. Now you got the values of cosecant theta. Next, secant theta. write all the values of cosecant theta in the reverse order. In this way, 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and not defined. Okay. Lastly, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to, cot theta is just reverse of tan theta. Reverse of tan theta. Otherwise, inverse of tan theta. Another way is write in the reverse order. Okay. So, it is not defined. Write in the reverse order. All tan theta values write in reverse order. Root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Okay. It will take 5 to 6 minutes to construct this table. Once again, these angles you have to remember: 0, 30, 40, 45, 60, 90. First step, give numbers from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After divide every number by 4. After dividing, do square root for every number. So square root of 0 by 4 is 0. Square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 2 by 4 is, after cancellation, it is becoming 1 by 2. The square root of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Square root of root 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2. Root 4 by 4 is, after cancellation, it is becoming 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Sign values: 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. These are all sign values. If you write all the sign values in reverse order, you will get the cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta, you will get the tan values. Once you got the tan values, cot values is cosecant. Cosecant is reverse of sin theta. 0, inverse of 0 is equal to not defined. 1 by 2 is 2. Just reverse them. 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1, that is 1. Root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, and 1. For secant theta, just write the values. These are also in the reverse order. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and not defined in reverse order. For cot theta also, write reverse order of tan theta. Tan theta values in this way, na? Write in reverse order. Not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Okay. Like this, you can form the trigonometrical table within